Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add payment for running Instagram ads. As you know, if you want to run ads or promote your business on Business Meta Suite or maybe through Instagram, you have to spend money onto it. And it could be only done if you add your payment method onto the platform from where they could deduct the amount and can be spent on your advertisement or marketing. So I'll show you how you can add the payment method for it. So first you have to simply open up your Instagram app, and once the app gets open, you will be onto its homepage. Now we have to go to the settings, and for the settings we have to go to the profile. So simply click onto your profile icon and you will be there. Then click onto the three lines from the top right corner, and once you click onto it, it will just take a while and then you will see all these options. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and click on created tools, and there you will see the option for the payment. This is the first option, which is add payments. Simply click onto it, and then if you have created any ad account before, it will appear there. You can click onto it, and after that you will be there. Now you have to click on add payment method, and after that you have to choose first country. The country depends where you live in and you would like to choose, and then you may get different options for the card. Choose the one that you prefer, and then you have to add your card details. First, you have to add the name that is appearing on the card, then you have to add the card number that also appears on card. It is a 16-digit code, and after that you have to add the expiration date of the card, and at the end you have to add the CVV. You just have to simply add this detail, and then you have to click on save, and after that the payment method will be added, and whenever you want to spend on ads, the amount will be deducted from this card. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching the video.